Today, I'm going to share some incredible tips to help you content creators save time with AI.
You know, there are two types of people in this world. The first group works extremely hard but rarely gets the results they want, making up about 90% of the population. And then there's the second group, the remaining 10% who work smarter, not harder. And exactly, today I'm going to show you how to join that group and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. If you've been spending hours editing videos, then you're going to love what I'm about to share. First, click the link in the description below to access the platform. Once you're there, you'll see the interface of Jupyter AI, a revolutionary AI tool that automates the entire video creation process, including adding B-rolls and visuals that match your content. You can explore more about these features in this section right here. Now let's log in. Just click on Login and choose Continue with Google. Simple, right? Now let's create a new project. Click on Create New and then select AI Video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add B-rolls to your video. You can watch a sample video here. Click Play Video.
Next, we will upload videos and add videos that I like.
Now in this transcript area, you can choose any part of the text and highlight it in the subtitles section. You can customize everything from font style, text color, display type, and size to the color of the highlight box.
Export and watch this video together.
Nature is an endless canvas of life, where every color, sound, and image brings tranquility and inspiration. It is the harmonious blend of earth, sky,